Hey mate, so a quick way that you can jump in and have a look at stats straight away. So once you're in your ads manager, you can just look at the campaign. You can either just hover over the results section there, and that'll give you all the stats. Um, so the reason why it doesn't just tell you the results is obviously at the ad set level, we've got different campaigns with different results. So some are either just driving people to the landing page, some are purchases, some are retargeting. Um, so it looks like we've already had three sales this week. So that's really good. So it's starting to work. Last week I think we only had three by the looks of it, but three today already. So awesome. Yeah, that's how you can jump in and just have a look. So you can change obviously the timing. Up top right here is where you can do that. So that'll tell me the TJM landing page view. That's how many people actually went to the landing page. Obviously, payment info ads is everyone that hit the checkout page, and then purchases obviously people who at the thank you page after the checkout page. Content views is I don't even know what we're using that for, so you can probably ignore that one. But yeah, they're the three main stats you want to look at.